See? When they're done singing their songs, the teachers are very good about letting the kids wait up here so you can take as many pictures as you want, okay? It's their first time performing for parents, so just give them warm smiles and rounds of applause and just be patient. They'll be there waiting for you.
It's okay.
Now we will be singing O Hanukkah. Vamos a cantar O Hanukkah.
Yeah.
Vamos a cantar nuestro Santa. Morning, families. Now we are gonna sing Mamacita, Donde Está Santa Claus. He mama creer que Mamacita, ¿dónde está Santa Claus?
Let's give these cutie patooties one more big round of applause. On behalf of the staff, I'd like to thank you for coming to our show today. Boys and girls, I want you to put on your cutest smile, and I want you to stay right there because your moms and dads are going to very calmly and slowly come down and take a bazillion pictures of you right now. Okay? So stay on the risers while mom and dads come down. Okay? Thank you again for coming, folks.